Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some amazing car accessories to show you that will make your driving experience more convenient and enjoyable. From advanced phone holders and stylish dashboard decorations to versatile travel tables and handy makeup mirrors, we have something for everyone. Let's dive in and check out these must-have products for your car.
Introducing the Joyroom 15W car phone holder, an automatic fast wireless charger perfect for your iPhone 15, 14, 13 Pro Max or Samsung Z Flip. This car mount ensures your phone is securely held while delivering rapid charging on the go. Enjoy hands-free convenience and keep your device powered up effortlessly with the Joyroom 15W car phone holder.
Introducing the ABS sports car model dashboard decoration, a stylish and practical accessory for any vehicle. This unique ornament not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your car's interior, but also serves a functional purpose as a 360-degree rotating phone holder. Crafted to resemble a sleek sports car, it adds a touch of sophistication to your dashboard. This universal phone holder is designed to securely hold your device, making it perfect for navigation, hands-free calls, or simply keeping your phone within easy reach while driving. The 360-degree rotation feature allows you to adjust your phone to the optimal viewing angle, ensuring you can see your screen clearly from any position. Installation is simple and hassle-free. The holder is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, providing a firm grip to keep your device stable even on bumpy roads. Its robust ABS construction ensures durability, while the stylish design complements any car interior. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking to add a decorative element to your vehicle or someone in need of a reliable phone holder, the ABS sports car model dashboard decoration is the perfect solution. Upgrade your driving experience with this versatile and eye-catching accessory.
Introducing the Joyroom onboard tablet car holder, designed for 7.9 11-inch tablets. This 360-degree adjustable silicone backseat mount ensures a secure fit and optimal viewing angles, making it perfect for keeping kids entertained during car rides. The sturdy support and easy installation make this holder an ideal accessory for any vehicle, providing hands-free convenience and comfort for backseat passengers. Enjoy a seamless travel experience with the Joyroom tablet car holder.
Introducing the CarSun Visor makeup mirror with LED touchscreen. This auto interior mirror features adjustable brightness and a switchable light mode, making it perfect for makeup application on the go. Easily attachable to your car's sun visor, it provides clear, well-lit reflections thanks to its built-in LED lights. The touchscreen allows for easy control of brightness levels, and the rechargeable design ensures it's always ready when you need it. Upgrade your car's interior with this convenient and stylish vanity mirror.
Introducing the car seat travel table, a multifunctional and adjustable car computer stand perfect for on-the-go convenience. This hot-selling travel table easily attaches to your car seat, providing a stable surface for working, eating, or holding items during your journey. Its adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for various needs, making it an essential accessory for travelers, business